Well, hello. Here's that follow-up video when we added worm castings to the Miracle-Gro. So as you can see, the leaves are really green. There's a new plant that grew. The only thing that was miserable within the last couple of weeks was it was really hot in the upper 90s. We had rain, then we had a drought, and the mosquitoes were just crazy. I mean, they were so bad you did not even want to go outside. The mosquitoes would bite in the daytime. That's how bad they were. But a new chemical was applied to the area outside. They fogged the area, and that helped to reduce the mosquitoes from biting us humans and allowed us the opportunity to get back into our gardens and back into plants, because once again I am starting to water my garden. But yeah, if you have worm castings, mix them in with any of your potting mix and do it before and after, because I'd like to see your results. Here's another video to watch. I'll see you in the next one.